I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right length and creating a secure anchor. Put the loop over your thumb and pull the wrap snug. This gives you control. Once done, wrap 2 to 3 times around the wrist with even tension to stabilize the bone. Make sure the fabric lies flat, no twists, because twists create pressure points. Transition smoothly from wrist to hand, keeping about 50 to 60% tension so blood flow isn't cut off while you build a solid base for the knuckles. You now focus on knuckle protection and joint support. Bring the wrap across the palm up to the base of your fingers, then go over the knuckles 2 to 3 times to pad impact zones. Once padded, weave the wrap between fingers in an X pattern, index to middle, middle to ring, ring to pinky, because this locks the hand structure and prevents splaying. After each finger pass, return to the wrist to compress and distribute tension. This creates a cage that stabilizes the metacarpals under load. You complete the job by reinforcing the wrist and locking the wrap in place. Wrap the wrist 3 to 4 final times, then secure the end with the Velcro tab or tuck it under previous layers. This keeps everything from shifting during strikes. Make a fist. Your knuckles should feel supported and your hand should compress slightly but not tingle. If you feel numbness, pins and needles, or sharp pain, stop, unwrap halfway, ease tension, and rewrap more loosely before testing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.